Hey, Justin here with Car Candy Automotive Detail Products, and we want to talk about how we would use our Impeccable Interior quick interior detailer. Now, the great thing about this product is it is two products in one. It is a cleaner and a conditioner. So in that case, this will allow you to basically go right into maintaining an interior or a lightly soiled interior surface, such as a dash, a door panel, some of your hard surfaces overall that are going to allow this product to really shine, to say, because this is something that you'll be able to spray directly to your applicator pad, agitate, wipe away, and then if you have a little bit of a higher finish, you could take a dry towel to wipe that high finish down, and boom, that would be it. Just as simple as that. You wipe the surface with it, and then if you like the shine that you have naturally from it, you keep it as is, or you could come back with a towel to kind of level that out. But overall, just make sure you get through your cracks and crevices with this, and you'll get an overall impeccable shine from an impeccable interior products like this from Car Candy.